So guys, we would want to take a look at our CADJPY for the day, which is for the 2022 today and the next day, which is on the 23rd of September. We would want to know where this CADJPY will actually be moving, and there's one movement we'll be making for today and tomorrow, which would actually go into that. But before that, let's analyze it from the weekly time frame, by the way. So weekly time frame is actually time frame to actually analyze properly. If you have to zoom it out, you can see this movement on this CADJPY, which is a bullish move, right? Coupled with the fact that our price is now above the 10-period moving average. So if you are to trade this pair on the weekly time frame standpoint, there's only one movement to be made, which is to actually go long on this CADJPY. So I mean, we've actually been having this rally movement since early 2020, right? Price has actually been going bullish, while our JPY itself has been dropping. So we actually got to a level on this weekly time frame. This is it. We actually had a bullish move here, a correction on our CADJPY. Another impulse move was made, then we had a correction here, and guess what, another impulse was made, right? And now the correction, we've gotten this correction at this level, right? So what do we expect next is another bullish move again. Reason why I said we'll be having a bullish move on this CADJPY is it's this way. Price just came to this level, right? It dropped. It also came back to that level again before drop, and we had a breakout. Once we see a breakout on a level, on any level on trading, we tend to see it come back to test that level before continuing to go bullish again. It is exactly what we just gotten on our CADJPY. So I mean, price came to this level, rejected, came to this level again, rejected, and now a breakout occurred. So this price has now rolled back to test that level it has happened where it broke out from. What we are expecting next is another impulse movement upward on CADJPY. So weekly time frame, we have to go long. Now let's see it on this daily time frame. So this was the level I was talking about on this weekly time frame, where we saw that the price came to this level, it's rejected, came to this level again, rejected before we had a breakout. So I mean, on the weekly time frame, this was actually a long week, but I mean, that is it on this daily time frame. Now price has broken above it, right? And guess what, price has come to test the level. So what we are expecting next is another impulse move on our CADJPY. So CADJPY, we are expecting to go bullish on our CADJPY, possibly to go long and break this highs. You know, this was the previous highs on the weekly time frame. If you to see it, this is it, right? So this was the previous highs on the weekly time frame, then it dropped, and now it has tested this level, it broke out from. We are expecting to go bullish again. Now this daily time frame, we are expecting to go long. I think from here to this previous highs, that is close to 300 pips on this CADJPY. We are very much likely to grab more than 300 pips on this our CADJPY, which is amazing. So go bullish. Now on the 22, we are actually even started bullish, and we would very much go bullish and close bullish. The next day, which is 23, we will also open bullish and close bullish. Now let's see it on this 4-hour time frame. Price has actually given us a pullback. So if you want to enter this trade on your 4-hour time frame, I will tell you to actually wait the price break above this highs, right? Because on this 4-hour time frame, we are still bearish. Right? See it this way: impulse move downward, a correction, another impulse move. On this 4-hour time frame, it looks like a correction level, right? Which you might be thinking it might be dropping, but we would want to wait for this CADJPY to actually break out this highs. Once it break above it, it's going to give us a pullback. Then we can actually enter to go long on this CADJPY. So CADJPY, we have to go bullish, but wait till this price actually break this highs, a level of 107.910. So once price break above 107.910, then we can go long on CAD.